Hello everybody, my name is not Markiplier, and today we are back in Fun Monkey Horror. Now this game, obviously since the last, it's been a year since I made a video on this, and I've only made a video on it once, so I figured we could go back and just, look at the updates that it's made. It's made a lot of updates, because from whenever I was playing it did not look like this. It looked very different. I could probably find a picture of it somewhere. You can go ahead and put that on the screen once you do. Future me. And I've definitely played it a lot. That's cool. Played it a lot. I did uninstall it and lose my hoverboard, so I'm probably not going to be moving as fast as I did in the other video.
Everybody
But we're going to be playing
Nobody
Defense
go in the
map
crawl
because this is
space
a
until
W map. I really like this map. I don't really know why. It's just a W map. Sorry if you guys can't hear me because I'm using the Oculus camera and stuff. So yeah. If you bored. Oh god. Why did I turn? Why did I turn? I don't know why I turned. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. Why are you making a sound? Stop it! I don't want to play this game anymore. Oh, leave me alone. Leave me alone, man. Ankles. We good now? I can't see him. Okay, we good. You're a prankster! You silly! Why would you do that? I'm not about to let this monster break my ankles. Break the monster's ankles! This is really fun.
Why do birds suddenly hear every time you are near? Just like
I need to sleep. Okay. What are you doing over here? Oh. What's up, bro? I beg your pardon? Why are we screaming? Oh, that was weird. Wait. Where are you going?
Come over here. Okay, you got distract him somewhere. Distract him in the corner.
Yo, what is this? Oh my god! I'm so glad I don't have my gliders on. So that's not a thing. Oh my god.
I can hear a horse behind me. I can hear a horse behind me.
Sorry. Still following us?
We good?
No, we good, bro. We good.
Yeah. Yeah, we good. It's a black. You can. Yeah. We safe. We play everything. Guys.
god! Why are you following me? Pink is no longer alive. Hi.
Miss Vance, we go her. I see
I'm
you.
gonna leave now. Oh, right, I forgot to do that. I guess specifically, not scary people chasing constantly, which I guess that's like most of the levels, but I'm sure we'll
Hey,
find out.
look. Which one do you have? Turn volume up. You. Which one do you have?
Okay.
Faster than this one.
Bear sucks, I figured out there's literally no monster. Blurg sucks, that's literally just a square. Facility lags. The mine. We don't talk about the mine. Vents we already did.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
why you
space
got
money.
money.
And we'll try FNAF through Doom whenever we get back. There's no way here.
Guys, why do we
Is-
spawn in
is
the
there?
crawl space?
This is just the same thing as vents. I'm not
No,
doing
no, no.
this, bro. I'm sorry. Sorry I keep sniffing so much. Cheer. It is springtime and my monkey nose can't handle it.
You're
Okay,
going
let's try that
crazy,
again.
aren't you?
I'm not doing anything.
Yo, what's up?
This weird noise.
What's up?
Banana.
Can I have the banana? Can I? Thank you, bro. Okay, let's try this one. Bye. Oh, did I miss? Bye. No, my buddy. Buddy. I left my buddy. Yo, buddy. Buddy. Hi, buddy. Okay, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Yo, drop a like for Banana Buddy. Okay, I think I know what this one is. Yeah, it's just FNAF. Can I hide under the table? Hide under the table. It did not work. It did not work. Okay. Where's my Banana Buddy? Banana? Banana Buddy! Banana Buddy!
Stupid bird!
Who's this guy?
Come here.
Banana! Banana! Yo, come with me, come with me. I'm gonna buy the banana, okay? So let's go, let's go. He'll still be in the same level. He was level 3 and he had like B1 DF for his thing or something. Banana! Banana! Banana Buddy! Wait, that's not my Banana Buddy? It's gonna be really hard to tell because he was... Yeah.
It's that that might call me, okay? I said, wait,
I'm gonna look
Where's my Banana Buddy?
myself in the mirror.
the bear scary.
Splat.
Banana Buddy! Banana Buddy! Okay, come on, we're gonna go buy the banana.
Wait. No, don't go there.
I have a lot of crystals. Whoa.
Come on.
Okay, banana.
Guys, let's do
Banana!
let's do this one.
Banana! Let's go, bro. We got the bananas. Wait, I can actually buy cosmetics now?
You need crystals
This
for
is-
these things.
Oh, I want that. I want the banana. Yeah. I gotta buy a hat?
Ooh. What is this game? Is this like a scary game?
Ugh. I can just buy everything. Like, there's no limit.
Come here. Is
Walter.
this a scary game?
Put the DS away, Walter.
I'll show you.
You gotta get us killed, Walter.
Put your DS away, Walter. Jamming navigation systems, Walt. I am the one who feeds the virtual dogs. You've killed us all, Walter. Haha, I put a little top hat on you.
Okay, because I wanted this game.
I can't get this off.
Here's your options. It switches
I had the
every
rat run.
3 hours. It switches every 3 hours.
Box set? Oh, can someone
Yeah,
go?
yeah.
Yo,
I got it.
I'll do the,
Oh,
yeah.
and also you're already ready.
Banana
back.
buddies!
Yeah.
Banana buddies!
Wait. Can someone go with
Alright, let's go.
Guys, go look down.
Sure. Which one do you want to go to? Don't go to. Don't
Okay, what? What do you want to
Guys,
do?
I'm doing a giveaway on Cash App for $50.
Bro, I got a banana buddy. Banana buddy. Hi, banana buddy.
You know how to level up.
Okay. All right, let's go. This is gonna be so much harder with like a brown square on the bottom of my screen.
Go back.
If I fumble, that's. Oh my God! Banana buddy, run!
Everybody run!
Banana buddy! Banana buddy! Banana buddy! Let's go!
Hi, Bree. Looks like
Let's go this way.
I see you again. Whoa.
Are you sick?
Is that bro? Okay, yeah, he's stuck there. Oh no, he's not stuck! Wasn't this the dead end? Wait, no, my banana buddy's in the dead end. No, my banana buddy! Yo, banana buddy, where'd you go? Banana buddy? Where'd you go, bro? Yo, banana buddy! Banana buddy! I saw the banana. Where'd he go?
Banana!
Banana buddy!
Yeah!
Banana buddy! Is he coming this way?
It's coming. It's coming.
Banana buddy, bro. Oh no, he's still coming. Oh wait, no, he turned back. He turned back. Yeah, he turned back.
Banana?
Banana buddy, no! Banana buddy! Oh no!
I died all the way over there.
Yo, banana buddy.
Hey,
Yo, banana buddy.
banana.
We gotta reopen our game, okay?
Alright.
Okay. Okay. Banana buddy! Banana buddy! Banana buddy!
Banana!
Okay, let's take a picture, bro. Let's take a picture.
Up here.
Let's take a picture over here, bro. Yeah, we're gonna take a picture. Okay, hold on. Let me pull up my camera.
Wait, no way.
Okay. Say banana buddy. Let's go. Okay, so you're actually gonna be on YouTube. Yeah.
Thank you.
I won't tell you where. You have to find it yourself. But like, yeah. So I hope you all have a beautiful day, night, dawn, dusk, whatever time it is for you. Bye. Banana buddies. Banana buddies, bro.
Banana buddy.
Banana buddies. Alright, bro.
Yeah.
Down
I'm a banana for 24 hours. That's all
Alright, bro. Bye.
tried
Yo, that guy was so chill. Oh no, wait, I gotta look at the picture. Gotta look at the picture I just took. Oh yeah, that's a W. The W right there. That's going in like a museum. This is. Can you go back, please? Hello everybody. Why is this not? Okay. This is a W. This is the W picture right here. We love this picture. We love this picture right here. Okay, bye now.